Assembly Language Tutorials, Chapter 7, Part 3. This is the last part of this chapter. There is nothing much actually here. Adding and subtracting numbers of very large size, very big numbers. So when we add them, what happens? Our overflow would be happening, our carry flag would be set. So if carry flag is set, then one of our most significant bits is lost. So this video is all about catching that most significant bit from the carry flag and bringing it back. So let's see a demo. Write more and more code and become comfortable with assembly, because not many people are comfortable in assembly, but it's not very hard language to learn. So I have cleared out EX, EDX. So EDX is not required here, is code from the old demo. So AL is going to have FF value and again one more FF. So let's see what FF looks like. FF stands for 255 and 255. So AL is 1 byte only, so it cannot contain that much value, obviously. So it's going to overflow. So we'll see that. And what's going to happen is FF plus FF, you get 1 FE, right? 1 FE. Let's debug it. FF, now it is FF, now it is FE, right? FE. So one bit, one most significant bit, actually what is LSB and one is MSB. The bits toward the right are the least significant bits, and bits toward the left are the most significant bits. That we see when our human eye sees a number, we see that way. Like if a number is there, like 355, what's the most significant digit? 355, it would be the 5. Let's say one more example. Let's say the number is 127. What is the most significant digit? It's 1. So the same way, the most significant bit is lost here. But our addition, our calculator says that it has to be 1. So where is the 1? It's here. It's the carry bit. So how do we fetch that? We use something called ADC. So add with carry. So there is another counterpart of that also, which is SBB, subtract with borrow. So add with carry and subtract with borrow. D stands for I don't know what, but it actually means that. So it gets the value set in the carry flag, and this does the opposite. So I will leave it to you guys to do an exercise on this. I'm giving the demo only for ADC. I just want to give you guys a little hang of things, explain concepts, and you should try on your own, become an assembly programmer. So the DL, it's the, what is DL? Now we know the registers are EAX, EBX, ECX and DX. We know that the low byte of EAX is AL, so the low byte of EDX will be DL. So the carry is here and EDX is zeroed out, and we captured that. We got the value from the carry into EDX, and now we want to move the high byte. We want to move that DL value into the high byte. So now our EX is this guy. So after I run through it, it's not a specialized instruction, it's good old move instruction. So I made that up and it works. Now we have restored that bit. So with this, the chapter 7 it completes. So next time we'll talk about procedures. We have covered procedures. Well, we'll talk about more advanced procedures, like saving something into the stack and restoring the values from the stack. We'll dig more on stacks, because so many security vulnerabilities are, most of them are around stack and heap. So we are going to understand procedure, and in that we'll talk about stack a lot. And then few more videos, and we would be done with assembly language tutorials. And I have another tutorial coming on after this thing ends. We'll develop actually Windows applications and device drivers and stuff like that with assembly. So that would be advanced assembly language tutorial. So I had thought about to start with a basic one. So this is the tutorial for that, and those will be like more towards software development in assembly. So I hope you guys are having fun till now, and subscribe to this channel, and it keeps me motivated to make all these awesome videos. And if you have any specific question, put that in comments, and like these videos and share with your friends. Like I myself, when I started learning assembly, so all the internet forums and places with Google search, it would be dealing with MASM 32 or NASM assembler, put a command line. That sucks, man. Really, I like this. In an IDE, you have access to all the Intel instruction sets, so you can download the Intel manuals from Intel's website, and there are plenty of good books on x86 and 64. So I pick things from there, and then I am now making you guys comfortable with all these instructions also, and I'm clearing my concepts also as I go along. Teaching is the best way to learn. So I hope you enjoy these videos, and like I'm enjoying making these videos. So have a good day. Bye bye.